Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Good evening, sir. Oni.
Good evening.
Welcome to Shillong.
Thank you so much.
The preparation of the International Film Festival in Meghalaya. This first time in Meghalaya, we got this what you call festival film, what you call Kasi Film Tamasa. Can you tell me something? How you feel when you are in Shillong now?
I'm first of all really thankful for Commander Shangplyang to have invited us to come for the first International Meghalaya Film Festival, and really happy to be here because I think Shillong is a very special place. I'm coming back here after 23 years. I came here first in year 2000 with Bhupen Hazarika, so it is and I always remember those days, that it's a beautiful state which needs to be discovered by the rest of India through our cinema and tourism. I feel everyone needs to come to Meghalaya to see there is such beautiful nature and such warm people, and also I think the food of Meghalaya is unique, and I think that there's so much that Meghalaya has to offer. For me, what excites me most is the name Meghalaya itself. The abode of clouds. It's so beautiful a name, and people here are as beautiful and warm as the name suggests.
I know you have been excited when you heard about Meghalaya. So, do you have any suggestion to give in to the filmmakers of Meghalaya, especially the members of Meflema? They organize such kind of big event in the state we have seen in the last 50 years back.
Yeah, I think it's really nice because when a festival like this happens, we from the rest of India, and also hopefully it grows more and more, and people from all over, directors from all over the world will come here, and they will get to know about Kashi films, local culture, and also local filmmakers will get to interact with filmmakers from everywhere. So it benefits, it's a learning for both. And I feel with OTT platforms coming up, we can get to see more Khasi films with subtitles, because it's a beautiful language, beautiful people and beautiful stories which all of us should see. And I think my only advice to filmmakers here would be, tell the stories of your land and the world will celebrate it. And you have very good example from also just your neighboring state Assam. The filmmaker Reema Das, her film Village Rockstar was nominated for Oscar from India. So I'm sure filmmakers from Meghalaya can also make beautiful films. It's important to get out, experience, learn filmmaking, and make beautiful films here. I hope the government supports the filmmaking industry here in opening more theatres, so that more people can come to the theatres and enjoy the magic of cinema.
When we will imagine the neighboring state like Assam, Manipur with Meghalaya, where we compare, we are not so much like Assam. We are the Assam, they are having their own film industry. But in our state, we just started now for a while ago. See, the local film, they are now starting to promote. But the problem here, we don't have our own, what we call the institution of talented school. Do you have any idea from your side as a director?
I feel one is maybe to begin with, the government can give scholarship to students to go to institutes in suppose Bombay, because that exposure helps always, so students to go here, maybe to a Whistling Wood, other places to learn filmmaking, internship with filmmakers from Bombay, and come back and make films here. So the government needs to provide that support to filmmakers here, and also most important to open more theatres in different parts of Meghalaya, so that people can start going to the theatres and watching. I would also encourage that there should be a local strong OTT platform, because more and more people are watching on the mobile. So when people, local Khasis, will get to see beautiful Khasi films in OTT, they will also watch those films.
What is the message you want to give to the people of Meghalaya, especially in for the film festival?
I feel that they should, this is such a beautiful gift that Commander has given to Shillong and Meghalaya, that everyone should come here, enjoy watching films from different parts of the country and the world, and experience it, and it will give a lot of boost to the film industry, and also encourage young people to join the film industry and become a part of the film industry, whether it's here, whether it's in Bombay, whether it's in any other part, because ultimately we are one big family.
You can tell me, how do you connect that you with our President, Commander Sampliang?
I think it's destiny, it's luck, because as far as I know, that when I came here in 2005 in Shillong to screen my film My Brother Nikhil, and Commander was at that point a journalist, and I'm sure we must have met at that point. And luckily, again, after so many years, when I was approached and told that this festival happened, it didn't take me 1 minute to say yes, I want to come back, because it's such a good initiative that Commander has taken, because it's very, very important that a state like this should have its own film festival, should have its own film institute, so that this culture can develop. It's a beautiful way to tell stories of the land, and it can become a destination like, suppose, Dharamsala Film Festival or Goa Film Festival, because you have a beautiful state, so people from everywhere can come to enjoy the culture and at the same time watch movies.
And now, can you give handshake with our President, Commander Sampliang?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You just tell him some of your movies which you have.
So my first film was a film called My Brother Nikhil, and which I had one of the early screenings twice in Meghalaya. Once were when President Abu Kalam visited Shillong, I came to screen the film, and once was 2005 where I screened the film. And then I did a film called Bas Ek Pal, and then a film called Sorry Bhai, followed by I Am, which got 2 national awards. And all these films of mine have traveled around the world, got more than 40-50 international awards. Then I produced a film called Chauranga, which again won many awards. And then in 2017 I did a film called Shab, and in 2018 I did a film called Kuch Bhige Alfaz. So yes, right now, next year, 2 of my films will be releasing. One is called Pine Cone and one is called Our Stories.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.